Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Shopify free trial. Alright, let's begin. If you want to get started with Shopify, click the link in the video description. This will take you to the Shopify landing page. Here, click on Start Free Trial button and you will be redirected to this page, where you will see an input field where you can enter your email address and password. After entering your email, next, you will be prompted to create a password. Once you've done that, click Create Shopify account. Shopify will then ask a few questions about your store. For example, where would you like to sell? Select Online Store and click Next. When asked which option best describes you, choose I'm just starting. The choice you make here does not affect your setup significantly. It just orders the setup steps differently. Next, you'll be asked what you want to sell. You can choose options like drop shipping products or digital products. For this example, I'll select digital products and click on Get Started. You will now see 3 Shopify plans. You can start with any plan for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. This option gives you access to all features and full functionality. Alternatively, you can skip this step and decide later. So that's basically how you can get Shopify free trial. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.